It's horrendous because you're living in limbo. You don't know whether it's a day or a week. You don't know whether to unpack. You live a completely different life because you don't know what's next.
Mae'r plant yn sâl drwy'r amser.
It's not fair on the kids. My daughter's afraid to go to school. She's having trouble with other kids getting picked on. She's embarrassed about how we're living. She can't have friends over. It's terrible the way we're living. You couldn't have animals living like this.
Ni eisiau gweithio, ni eisiau bywyd. Dim ond pethau arferol I ni a'r plant. Mae'n anodd, ond gobeithio yn y pen draw, daw rhywbeth da.
All I want is somewhere permanent so I can get my life back to normal, so I can get a job again. It's been years and other people are moving, but we're just stuck. We can't plan anything, we're stuck. You can't even think about planning your future.